Hi, I'm Olivia from Tiled, and today I'm going to teach you how to create and design your first MicroApp. So let's get started. You're going to go to tiled.co and you're going to log in with your credentials. Once you're in, you're going to see your library. Once you create more MicroApps, you're going to be able to categorize them accordingly. But to create your first, you're going to come over here on the right-hand side and click on this plus sign icon. You're going to name your MicroApp, and then you have three different options. You can create for desktop, for tablet, or for mobile. Today we're going to create for our tablet, and we're going to choose to design it in landscape mode versus portrait. Once you click Create MicroApp, you're going to be led to your blank canvas. I designed my assets in the design tool of my choice, and so they're outside of Tiled. They're being built outside of Tiled. I chose to design them in Sketch, but you can design them in Photoshop and InDesign, whatever you want to do. Once your assets are in, you can get started. I'm going to add a couple more pages over here. And on page 1, I've designed my intro page. So you have the option of coming up and dragging it to your background here, or you can simply just drag it over, and once it's all blue, you can set it as your background. On page 2, I'm going to add my How It Works page, wait for the blue, set it as my background. And on page 3, I'm going to set it as my background. On page 1, I have this little Get Started button that I want to be able to jump me to page 2, so I'm going to add what we like to call hotspots over the Get Started button. You can resize it accordingly, and then you can choose what you want it to link to. I want it to link me to page 2 with no transition. And then on page 2 and 3, I want to be able to toggle between this 7 a.m. and this 10 p.m. button. So I'm going to drag the hotspot over 10 p.m. Once again, you can resize it. And I'm going to have it link me to page 3. And on page 3, I'm going to drag this hotspot over 7 a.m., resize it, and I'm going to have it link me to page 2. So to see how my design looks so far, at any time you can come up here and click on this eye icon in the top right corner. Click on it, click on Get Started, 10 p.m., 7 a.m. So now that it's working how I want, I can either keep building it or I can publish it.